Hello, and welcome to another WeatherTell how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a visualization of clouds within WeatherTell. So, let's begin by opening a geo-referenced underlay. In this case, I've just got the basic state outlines without elevation loaded. And I have already downloaded a file through Data Transform. So let's go ahead and load that one. I have that in my downloads directory. And then when you're looking at clouds, you want to make sure that you have relative humidity loaded as a variable. So in this case, we just go to Information when you have your data file highlighted, and we just want to make sure we have relative humidity. So that's one of the choices for the 3D variables within Data Transform. So we have that loaded. So now, making sure again that our file is highlighted, we go to Filters, WeatherTell, and just click on Cloud Surface. And when we do that, it brings up a box here that tells us what relative humidity criteria we want to use to visualize the clouds. Within WeatherTell, we're not actually using any kind of mixing ratio or anything to visualize the clouds. All we're using is a shaded value of relative humidity. So it's just an estimate. So in this case, we're using 90% relative humidity to show where the clouds are. So we hit Apply, and there you go. So now we have a 3D representation based on the 90% relative humidity contour of clouds. And this is fully 3D. So you can see the vertical extent of the clouds. Alright, not too bad. But now there is one step you can take to make this look better. You'll notice now that everything is colored white, and it's difficult to see some of the contrast. So if you have your cloud surface highlighted, if you go to Display, and then on your Color By, click on Height. So now you'll see that the clouds are being colored based on the height. And if you go to Edit Color Map, and then choose Preset, and if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a Clouds color scale. So go ahead and click on that, and then hit OK, and then close, and there you go. So now your clouds are colored by height according to a predefined color scale. So now the whiteness of the cloud is based on the height. So the lower clouds are going to be darker colors, the higher clouds will be lighter colors. So this allows your eyes to see the contrast and get a better idea of the vertical extent of the clouds, of the structure within the clouds. And then of course you can navigate within your visualization screen to look at different views within that and to see different orientations and what the clouds look like from different angles. So there you go. That's how you visualize clouds within WeatherTell.